must decide whether or not he has consequences.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run.
No matter what, there isn't another body that steps in and does something. It automatically has. Is that a good understanding?
Wait.
The other body is Congress.
You can't turn
Congress
left like that. Stop it!
Action.
Where the warden had arranged accommodations and partook together of some refreshments. As you may imagine, sir, a good deal of explanation was then required. For the last time I'd seen James...
What it's like to be stopped by the Border Patrol, one of these decisions actually has language in it.
Oh, what the...
That the type of haircut might be enough.
Try not to text while you're driving, idiot!
This impacts all...
And a great many things to be seen to, in order to make everything cozy. Since Mr. Walsh had developed bachelor habits after the death of his first wife.
I moved over in time.
And some things had become none too savory.
4. Her physical condition rapidly deteriorating. For most of 80 hours, she had been all by her movie called 24-Hour Psycho. It just reformatted the classic Alfred Hitchcock film, playing
Nissan driver.
2 frames.
It wasn't a megachurch, but over time, it became one. And so we went there for a little while. It was very well known.
Nice cutoff, nice U-turn, nice whatever you want to call that.
Active. I think that it got concerts every night. There were like gospel songs, right? Yeah. And I'm not looking at the time, so I'm gonna speed up this part. But basically,
where you going, dude?
There would be sermons, like these rock concerts.
Figure it out.
And then they would say like, oh, if anyone wants to be saved.
One, we will see cases where court will throw out a brief saying, oh, you used the wrong font, or you tried to squeeze in an extra line or two. That was a very polarized election. Sure. Lincoln prevailed, but there were concerns.
Exit dive, and nice cutoff.
If he got elected, that would start to thought. This sort of Justice Antonin Scalia, may he rest in peace, is given some credit for being one of the early founders of the school of textualism and originalism.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run.
It's all but in one show, but I do want to start by talking about the religion and law, because really, genuinely, what this show is about.
Exit dive behind me.
Two facets of.
He made the comment
left turn lane dive.
Whatever relations of any kind you may or may not have with yourself.
Let me guess. You're gonna exit dive. Of course you did. Because why wouldn't you? No stop.
And stuff like that. It's like having a completely honest accountant. Who is that good? And I got Bob Bernstein, the best. He retired. God rest his soul. Not rest his soul, but God.
Come on.
What are you doing?
Let's go, Pennsylvania. Green lights there work the same way that the ones here do.
Speaking of Vegas, 8-legger. Who were the original 71? The original 71. And then they showed, I forget who. We have,
the hell kind of light?
Some people with some big stratosphere numbers this week.
Why you got all those neon green lights in front of your car and shit? What is that? It's like playing Pac-Man on the front of your car. What the? Oh, nice cutoff. Ah, nice cutoff again. Harder, better, faster, stronger. Exit dive. Exit dive again. Exit regret behind me. Screwbaroo. Nope.
Accident, and the rod goes through his brain, and it damages
Nissan drivers.
His brain, and he begins to exhibit personality. Knowledge. It's a field of study. That's what a theory is. When in my high school, for example, they taught a class of music theory.
Behind me?
And I remember just because I was an obnoxious kid, I threw the door open one day during class. I wasn't in the class, I just...
Red light run, red light run, red light run. Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Uh-oh. What are you doing? Toyo turd? Two of them. Why isn't it? Yeah, both turning for the center lane. Bad, stop it. Yeah, no, stop behind me. Screwbaroo. No, stop. And you were in a rush before, so that doesn't surprise me.
And we stuck. Now I'm going to beg for forgiveness. I'm going to beg for the Flyers to help me. No. I'll take the sword. No,
right turn from the center lane.
Finding where my mouth is red.
Red light run. Red light run. Red light run. Left turn dive. BM double douche. What was that up there? What kind of lights are those? I don't like them. Really? Why are you going over there? You do realize that's not really a lane. It's I don't know how they do things in California, but you don't drive on the left side of the yellow line. That's not how it works here in New York State. Although I'm sure you got the same exact laws that we do. Probably, I don't know. I'm talking out of my ass. Probably.
5 days in there, sometimes longer. But in terms of like clothing,
no stop.
My weekend setup usually isn't really much different.
Hello, Toyo turd. No trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because we are on the thruway just outside of Rochester. They don't allow trailers in the left lane here. No, you cannot be there. Oh, well, sucks to be you. You're going to be in the video. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Okay, I will see you next time in the next video. Okay, bye!